am again, and if you can see guys, this flea market, I just want to show you how big it is. And look, I don't know how many hectares is this, but this is very big. I'm so happy that I was able to see one of the fruits that I ate when I was young, when I was in my childhood days. And that fruit is, I called it lupok-lupok. We called it lupok-lupok. And I don't know how you call it. And the lady told me that name, but I couldn't understand her. And I'm so, I don't want to ask her again. So I said to myself, I'm just gonna search up online what it's called. But oh my god, I remember my younger days, and that fruit we always ate every time we play. What is this? How much is this?
$2, 3 for 5.
3 for 5. It's cute. Okay, I'm gonna come back here. I love that because I want to use it for $2, 3 for 5. I want to use it for my soap. I want to use it for my soap because I sell soap, and I think that is a good packaging. I can just design, put my soap, put some body wash and stuff like that, and sell it to them. Nescafe. How much is this?
2 for 10.
2 for 10. Okay. 2 for 10. You can really find a good deal here because they sell in the cheapest price. I don't know where they got this stuff, but I think they got it from the wholesale market, and they sell it at the lowest price. And it is good. It is such a big discount deal that you can get. So I'm gonna cool down myself here a little bit because today is gonna be super hot. Super hot today. It's like 85, 89, going to 90 degrees. And I can tell people are bringing the backpacks, bringing some bags, carts, so that they can put their stuff in there and then they can just pull it. Because if you're carrying a bag, it's gonna be heavy. It's gonna be heavy for you to carry it around. So yeah, there is one more place that I haven't visited, so I'm gonna go there later on and check out. I'm sure that that corner has the vegetable or fruit sections in this market, and I'm gonna show you around as well. Okay. And what is this? This is ice cream stuff.
You know what I want to do? Yeah, go ahead. Yes!
Super tsaka nila. There's some collections. Collection items. Marami din ditong ano, there's so many vloggers and they're featuring this in their channel as well. And Yeah. What is this? I'm curious. Oh, I think this is for the faucet. Yeah. There you go, guys. We are here in the section where they sell tools, bicycles, appliances, and many stuff, many other stuff. So let's check this out. Oh, I like that electric kettle. Oh, this is coffee maker. How much is this?
10, dear. Yes.
10? This is a coffee maker,
Yeah,
right?
it came out of my house.
Yeah.
No lie.
Never seen this before.
Yeah. It came out of my house.
Oh, wow. So is this electric or just stove? Stove stop?
I think it's stove.
Stove, right?
The wife gave it to me.
Ah, yeah, it's electric.
Oh, it is electric.
Yeah, it
Sorry.
is because there's yeah. No more discount. Give me a discount, please. Okay, I'll take this. Oh, I love this. Oh my God, this is Morning Wear. Morning Wear is a good brand, and I got this for $8.
So 40 for both.
Okay, I'm gonna get my money. 8. Thank you. And you know, guys, when I go to a supermarket, when I go to the store, I don't know, I think if I'm the first buyer, something like there's like luck about me that they can sell a lot of stuff after I buy, or customers are coming, and I'm so happy already to get this. Oh my gosh, I can use this as well. No need to use my Keurig. Thank you so much. Alright, hope you sell a lot. I'm sorry. Oh, do you have? Oh, it's alright. I'm just gonna use this. Wait. Oh, I need plastic though. No? Okay. Wait. So then, what I'm gonna do? I'll find a way.
How about the big one? 20 on the big one?
Okay, let me set up this.
Big deal today? Yeah. There's nobody here. I know. There's nobody here. It's horrible, right? I know. Okay. Thank you, dear.
Thank you. This is the things that I like to buy because it's a collection items and I can use them for many years. Wow, what is this?